Coming into a Wānanga environment was my first experience in this style of learning, and I must say, probably taken more from this learning environment than I have in those sort of other Western styles of learning. And what that reinforces for me is just as I go into my corporate setting, I'm not looking at kaupapa Māori methods and the ways of engaging that we've learned in this course as that's how we work with Māori, but actually it's just part of the toolkit. And how can I weave those methods in with my current ways of doing things and the value that that brings?
I am grateful for my experience at Piharoa. If I'm going to try to work positively with our Māori raupu here or in other places, then engaging early, building whakawhanaungatanga, engaging with purpose, those traits are really important for me to learn and experience. And I really noticed how our Piharoa raupu connected in a really unique way. And I put that down to the pace and the trust that Waimahi and John helped us to build before we ploughed our way into other and sometimes more serious stuff.
I think a step change in both my personal and professional cultural transformation, how I think about embracing Māori culture and its understanding in the workplace is going to help me immensely. I am now better served as a role model leader in my organisation, knowing what to do, when to do it, and looking forward to continuing my growth journey in Te Reo and Te Ao Māori.